In this video, I'll show you how to get bonus in Megapari. Like and subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. So if you're looking to get a Megapari bonus, especially the first time deposit bonus, this is exactly what to do. First, you have to go over to your account or open the application. After installing it, you click on register. If you don't have the application, check the description of this video. There's a link there that's going to guide you to get the application. Once you're here, first thing is to choose your country. So you can choose your country from where you are from, and then you go ahead to choose the currency in which you are comfortable with. There are going to be lots of currency, but choose the currency that's supported by your bank deposit. Then go ahead and put in a valid email address. Please use a valid email address because you are going to be needing verification. Once that is done, put in a password. To know what password to create, just click password requirements to read the requirements needed for a good password. In the promo code, you are going to use the promo code LeoTV, and that is the promo code for your bonus. If you use promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you might receive $300. Once that's done, click on these three boxes, then register your account. After registering your account, verify your email address, and once that's done, you are good to go.